Question 18. Which of the following processes takes place during distillation? I, we have absorption, II, desorption, III, evaporation, IV, condensation. So A, II and III only. B, I and II only. C, I only. D, III and IV only. The correct answer is D, III and IV only. That is evaporation and condensation. Explanation. Distillation is all about separating by boiling point. You heat up a liquid, that is evaporation. It turns into vapor, and then you cool it down, that is condensation, to get it back as a liquid. So there's no absorption, there's no desorption. It's just a phase change magic happening.